Hey guys, so I am in my mom's guest room right now, and JT and I are currently gonna go on a date, and I am gonna wear my EVA clutch in monogram. I actually gave this to my mom, and so now that I'm back home I am going to wear it. But what I'm going to do differently is I'm going to wear it like a fanny pack. I saw this on In My Seams, and so I'm just going to quickly show you what I'm going to take with me, and then I will show you what it looks like with me wearing it as a fanny pack. So I actually miss this bag a lot. Okay, so it zips open nicely. First off, I have my Chanel card holder, and I'm on vacation for a month, so I don't have much of my stuff, so it's kind of repeat of what's in my travel bag a little. And then I have these sunnies, which are really cool. They're called, like, I got them from Nordstrom. They're called Perverse. Interesting name. So these are kind of like on the theme of what I'm wearing. And then I have my favorite lipstick, which is kind of everyone else's favorites too, is MAC Velvet Teddy, which I'm actually not wearing right now. And then another like cult favorite, I have the Dior Addict Lip Maximizer, which I really like the plumping effect, and then like just how it feels on my lips. And then lastly, I have my mini pochette, which will house my Canon G7X phone inside here. Or not phone, my camera. Oh, and then I also have my phone, which will go in nicely. So this guy fits a lot of stuff. So let's put everything back in, and I will show you how I wear it as a fanny pack and what my outfit is of the night. So I'm really excited because actually we don't ever go on date nights anymore because we don't have a babysitter now that we moved to Denver. So now that we're in Denver, well, here in Texas, and JT came to visit, we have my parents to watch the baby. So let me show you real quick. So this is my outfit. Let me show you. Can you see? Sorry, it is a mess. It's the guest room. So I'm wearing this with some Converse. And get this right here. So you just get the one strap, take it off, and then go like this. Wrap this strap around twice. Then, you get the other D-ring and then connect it to this side of the purse. Like that, and then it's as simple as that. Put this in the front, and then yep, so this is my outfit. So cute, right? Alright, so I'll take you guys later when we go out to eat, and then you can kind of see it out, the full ensemble with JT. So see you in a little bit.
My bed is all
Are you filming?
Filming.
Oh, you are? Oh, so we're here at Maverick. JT chose it. We're on date night. It's a Texas brasserie. How do you say it?
Yeah, that sounds right. Brasserie.
And so it's French food. We got mussels, cheese puffs, and something like sashimi. And I got bourbon and Cabernet with honey. So good. So let's
Show me
see
the
how
drink.
it tastes.
That's pretty nice.
It's really nice. I've never had bourbon and Cabernet. What did you try?
Look at your part. You look really cute.
What did you try?
What's that?
What did you try? Was it good? You didn't seem impressed.
I'm not.
You didn't seem impressed though. So I forgot to vlog the rest of the time. I didn't even vlog the rest of the food, but JT was silent before because he was not happy with the food.
No,
Well,
it was just the something, yeah.
Yeah, the sashimi was just like very fishy.
No, so she's like, oh, what do you think? And I'm like, I have a mouthful of this fish that tastes kind of fishy, and I'm starting to think like, maybe this, and it doesn't have a lot of flavor. And Tabby's like, what'd you say?
Well, the waiter was there. I didn't realize.
Well,
that.
yeah, the waiter was there. Like he was standing right behind Tabby, so I didn't want to say anything.
Yeah, but anyways, overall, overall the ambience was really good. The location was fun. The mussels,
Southtown, very cute.
Southtown in San Antonio is really cool. The mussels are good and everything.
Salad was incredible.
Salad was great.
Love the
So
salad.
I would say it was average. The drinks were really good. The Cabernet and the bourbon, that was really good.
Let's just rate it. The service.
Oh, and I didn't wear this as a bum bag. I will probably tomorrow. I was just like, it was too heavy with my camera. But the service would be, oh, I know, I miss it.
I know, it's so retro.
JT loves it. The service, oh no, like overall it'd probably be like a 7.
The service?
No,
I'd give
like
it
just the
4.
restaurant.
Oh yeah, but the service I'd give it like a 9.
Yeah, but anyways, I'm gonna end it here. I just kind of wanted to take you guys along on date night. JT's leaving in a day, so we'll see.
One more day.
We have business tomorrow, right?
Yeah, big day tomorrow, super big day.
Yes. Alrighty, bye-bye.
You're so cute.
Oh, he's cute.
He's like cutie, but cutie.
He's cutie.